Hello friends, today we're gonna be unboxing this booster pack ES5000. It's made by a company called Solar, okay? A lot of people ask me, hey Alfredo, what's a good jump box? What is this, what is that? Because there are some very expensive in the market, you know? And this is not like a very expensive one. It's not cheap though, it's like around $200. But in my opinion, in my experience, this is a very good jump box, okay? You can start your car and start one car, two cars, 8-cylinder trucks. It just is powerful, all right? This is what I use here in the shop. I just got this brand new because I have a couple of them and I needed an extra one. So I got this brand new, so let's go ahead and unbox it, okay? All right. So it just comes just like this, right here. You can check your status in this button. See if you are completely charged. And when you get this, first thing you want to do is leave it charging overnight. Okay, the first charge you put on it, you gotta leave it hooked to the power outlet overnight so that it gets like good charge. Okay, so let's see what's here in this box. So here in this box we got two small boxes. So we got okay, this is a cable so that you can hook it to the cigar lighter in your car. See, like this, you put this one right here and the other one in your car. It will actually charge the jump box, and it also supplies power to the car, okay? And you have your charger, which you're just gonna hook it to the outlet in the wall, and then this one goes like this right here. Very simple, very easy to use. Once you hook your clamps to the battery, remember black is gonna be for negative, red is gonna be for positive. And once you hook this on the battery, you don't have to push any buttons. It's automatic. Then you go ahead and you start your car, okay? Okay friends, so now I just wanna show you how easy it is to use this jump box, all right? You can check the status on your battery. Just make sure you got some power on it. It doesn't have to be all the way because it's got power. Now you're gonna hook the red one to the positive right here. Make sure you don't cross exchange the clamps, all right? And then the black one to the negative, all right? And you don't have to push any buttons, nothing at all. Just go ahead and start your car. Alright friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, we're gonna leave a link down below, and so you can get it from online. And thank you for watching. See you next time.